This is my stir fry beef dish with peppers and broccoli with white rice, of course. So let me show you how it's made. First, we're gonna cut up our beef, and these are sirloin steak. I bought two from the supermarket, cut them in strips. I leave a little fat on them because I really do like that part just to keep the meat moist. Then I season with my own blend of seasoning, which make my process easier. I add also garlic powder and also onion powder. Not only that, you've seen me add some baking soda. Well, baking soda helps to tenderize the beef, makes it easier to cook. And then I add a little bit of cornstarch to hold everything together. And this is to just create a barrier with the meat so it don't dry out as well. Then I also add some oil, black pepper, salt, a bit of soy sauce, and leave it to marinate. I think in my season it had cayenne pepper and everything in it, so it has a little bit of spicy kick, just a little bit. Didn't want too much. Then I fry them off and in some olive oil, and basically about 3 minutes each side. I don't want to overcook to make sure that they keep the tenderness. Then we stir fry the vegetables and add everything to the pot. I also made some sauce, and the sauce was oyster sauce, ketchup, and soy sauce. That's it. Then add it to the pot. Reduce it down a little bit with a little bit of cornstarch slurry, and just let it cook for about 5 minutes and then turn the stove off. Serve with white rice or whatever you want. These are all the other ingredients that I've used: peppers, onion, and garlic, ginger, carrot, spring onion. I will leave all my ingredients list in my description, and also the broccoli. And that's my slurry. So I'll slow fry everything for about 6 minutes in total. And it was ready. It was so delicious, tasty. Guys, if you want to give it a try, check out my description for the full ingredients list, and you can try it for yourself and let me know in the comments if you enjoy. This was such a very, very nice dish. Thank you for watching. Like and follow for more. You know it goes. Sometimes we have to try something different. We don't always have to have the same thing every day. But still follow your heart and what you like to eat. Guys, I will have these aprons soon. Amalicious cooking aprons. And I will let you know. Thank you. Bye.